Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a pretty exciting unboxing to share with you guys. If this is what I think it is, this should be pretty fun. Thanks so much to the generous people who support me on Patreon. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I think this is... I don't know. There might be a link for this down in the description, or it might not. It's hard to say exactly at the moment. Let's go ahead and get in here. This was, I believe, sent from Australia. Ah, yes. There we go. We have some pictures here, some beautiful pictures. Oh gosh, I hope that's what. I think that's what's in here. Hang on now. Ah, yes, we do have. Okay, so there's the return address. Good deal. And this, it says, "Hey MC, there's 2 models here, both in prototype form. I've included renderings showing changes for the final versions. These will be manufactured by Bestech, and both are currently available for pre-order. P.S. Love your impersonations of clowns in the comments." Also, thank you for the daily uploads and commitment to your channel. Really appreciate that. So, here is the info. This is where you want to go if you are interested in these knives. Make sure to follow him on Instagram, Facebook, and then there's his website right there. I've given you plenty of time to check those out. These look gorgeous. Oh boy, so we do have a bolster lock here initially. This is very nice. Love the blade shape. That's very different. And then we have a bolster lock and incredibly smooth. Popsicle stick style clip, but it's a little bit, you know, it's got some style going on there. It's a nice clip overall for sure. Nice backspacer. Real good. Let's take a look at this here real quick. The Asseto changes for final production version. Handle's going to be thinner and lighter. Hardware from T6 to T8. Nice! Thank you. That's great. Obviously, there's going to be a bolster lock version of it. This is pretty cool. I like that a lot. So let's put this boy right here, and let's take a look at this other boy, which I got to tell you, and I think I'm a little more excited for this guy. Oh, I love the see-through pivot. That's cool. I'm so glad to finally see this on a production knife. Yeah, I'm a fan of it. Look at this. Oh boy, that's good. Look at how he did that. Oh, and it's a lighter. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm a big fan. Okay, I want this. I want this. Yeah, I'm going to pre-order this. Oh man, that's really nice. Ooh, I like that a lot. Oh boy, that is very cool. Look at how we've done this here. Oh man, I'd almost like to see the same thing on this side. Let's hold on. Yeah. So I'm just feeling everything out. Real nice. And the detent. Yeah, nice little click on the detent. Hold on. So this guy, flat grind to hollow. So yeah, right there we go. This is the flat, obviously. Okay, so he's going to change that. Stock 3.5 millimeter to 3.9 millimeter on the blade stock thickness. Okay, T6 to T8. Where? Over the pocket clip. And for the... What is this screw? Oh, that's a... that's a separate piece of material. Boy, this is nice. Yeah, because we've got 2 screws holding down a separate... Interesting. A separate piece of titanium. Ah, okay. So here's where it attaches. Well, that's the frame. What the heck? This is a frame lock. This is part of the frame. And then we have this overlay piece of titanium. Okay, but that works, though. That solves the problem of, you know, where you're gripping or pressing or whatever, right? is this also back here is also a see-through. I love this. I love this. This is cool. And here's the thing. People would say, that's a lanyard hole. You can't like that. Yes, I can. You listened. Here's why I like it. Okay? This is an integrity fastener, meaning it's part of the faultification. It's part of the structural integrity of the frame, right? And it's also out of the way of the pocket clip, and it looks cool. Yeah, I'm actually a huge fan of that. Look how big the standoff is back here. Oh boy, that's a big old fat boy there. And then we have, you can put your lanyard here. You can tie it to this little standoff here, which I'm honestly not sure why that's there. But you know what? Okay. What is this? What is this little... here's the maker. Grambeau. I hope that's how I pronounce his name. I like this idea of doing... It is technically a frame lock because that's part of the frame. It's not a nested liner, right? A lot of people think... And you know what? I'm just going off of like my internal definition of frame lock. The lock is part of the frame, right? The integral frame lock. Not an integral knife, but the lock is an integral piece of the frame, right? So then we have this overlay deedly-doo, which you can see here, if we zoom up, is not connected. Nice job on that. Look at that the little micro milling lines here. Oh, yes, yes. This is quite nice up close. Yes. Yes. I need to develop a new personality for the up close. Yes, as you can see here, we do have exquisite detail, subtle reflectivity. What am I doing? Is that what you guys want? Huh? I do, I am going to try and do more close-ups, especially, first impressions. I should have done a close-up here where I was trying to say, yeah, you can see here, the liner itself is part of... Stop shaking. Gosh, thing. Okay. It is, the liner lock itself is part of the frame. And then everything else is its own separate piece, which is very, very cool. I want this. I want that very badly. Dang it. I wish these are mine to keep. I have to send them back. That is awesome. This is a cool knife. I like this one a lot. And some people are going to look at this and go, I prefer, this. This is sick, though. Oh, boy. I love it. And we got a nice tumbled finish there. Absolute solid lockup. No pivot lash. Nice clicky detent. Oh, is it also? Oh, I can front flip it too. Yeah. And you know what? Yeah, that's definitely intentional. Boy, this is a cool design, guys. This is a nice one. Oh, I'm pumped about this. That's cool. Yeah. Oh, that's real nice. I'm just now picking up on all of the other little preferences. The contoured titanium chamfering down here. Nice, big, open. You can actually get 2 fingers in there, which is nice. Right up against that. Thumb stud is, for the most part, clearing the cutting path. You're right up there. Oh, man. That is nice. Good, cool. This one's cool. Big fan of this one, which is, once again, the Russ. Hey, I like it. Very cool. Russ and Asseto. Hi, sorry, Metal Complex from the future. I'm an idiot. There's another there's another knife in here. So yeah, I just wanted to show this real quick. This is a different variant of the that Asseto. Sorry about that. Asseto, right? And this is the titanium version with the exposed frame lock, which I have to say does look really nice. These are very, very nice knives. And, some people are going to prefer the micarta. Some people are going to prefer the titanium. Well, there you go. By the way, the pre-order site, now that I've gone and looked at it, like I I actually stopped the video, played with this one, gone to look at the pre-order site, and then went to put them back and realized there was another knife in there. So that will be linked down below where you guys can go and check it out. It looks like they're going to be shipping sometime in July of 2022. But all of these will be slightly altered. Okay, back to whatever I'm saying in the video. I thought that I would really like that, but I was not expecting to just, oh, yes. I was not expecting that. Very cool. Okay, so you got the information. There you go. Available for pre-order, right? Wowzers. Expect a full comprehensive review of each of these knives, right? A video where I'm not just yelling and going, wow, I love it, wow. Yeah, that's what the unboxings are on this channel. It's just first impressions. After I've had a chance to experience these, then I will review them. Each will, be given a 15 to 20 minute full comprehensive review. So, excellent prototypes with these boys here. I think that's going to be pretty much it. Thanks so much once again to, is it Grambeau? Grambeau Knives for sending these in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.